Come to sit up tall on the very edge of your seat. Moving into a nice lateral stretch for the neck now. As you feel ready, breathe in, and when the exhale comes, drop the right ear to the right shoulder. Take a moment just to notice any sensations in the left side of the neck. And if this feels quite comfortable for you, you might take the right hand and gently rest it across the face. Be mindful not to add any force or weight here. It's just a gentle resting of the hand. Notice any additional release that is coming through the left side of the neck. And again, if this feels comfortable and you would like to intensify the stretch further, you might take the left hand now and just play with the height of the hand. So anywhere between the hip and shoulder height, just making some gentle movements until you find the point where you get a nice juicy release in the neck. Breathing gently in and slowly out, and allowing yourself to settle in here for a few breaths until you feel that release down the left side of the neck. When you're ready to come out of this stretch, take the left hand back to the left knee, and then take the right fingertips to the right side of the face, using the fingers to gently bring the head to a neutral position. Rest both hands down in your lap. Readjust the spine, find a neutral position, sitting up nice and tall. And then when you're ready, drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Again, just checking in at each stage, making sure the stretch feels appropriate and comfortable for your body, knowing that you can be different on each side. And if that feels comfortable and you would like to go further, taking the left hand, reaching it up and resting it on the right side of the face. Remember, we're not forcing any additional weight through the neck here. It's just a gentle resting of the hand. If that feels comfortable and you'd like to intensify the stretch a little further, taking the right fingertips out to the side, playing with the height of the arm to the point where you find where this stretch feels best for you. For some of it might be quite low, others it might be at shoulder height. Breathing steadily and slowly here as you find that release of tension down the right side of the neck. This might be a stretch that you like to hold for a few breaths, or it might be one that you hold only for a moment or two, depending on how it feels for you. When you are ready to release, the right hand will rest back onto the lap, and then the left fingertips will come to the cheek, gently lifting the head, resting both hands in the lap, finding a neutral spine, breathing in nice and tall, and gently breathing out.